Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need a signed-in Google account and an updated browser or app. Once done, open Google.com. You'll see the AI mode or chat icon near the search bar. Tap it to start. Make sure web and app activity is enabled so the model can personalize suggestions. Next, choose a tone or task if prompted. These initial options shape results. If you use a work account, verify permissions. Some features are limited. Begin with a single clear query to test response style and speed. Now focus on prompt structure. State your goal, include constraints, and request a format. This tells the AI how to respond. Once you get an answer, use follow-up prompts to refine or narrow results. Ask for step-by-step plans or quick summaries. Make sure to enable or invoke tools like web browsing or the calculator for up-to-date data and precise math. If you need translations or image-based info, call those tools explicitly. By iterating, you improve relevance and reduce hallucinations. To finish, verify any critical facts by asking for dates, sources, or cross-checking with another search. Make sure the AI cites when required. If output is vague, refine your prompt with more context, examples, or a strict format that typically fixes relevance issues. For access or UI problems, clear cache, update the app, or sign out and back in, these simple steps often restore features. If errors persist, switch accounts or region settings, then retry the same prompt to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.